Hi friends, so today we're going to continue talking about letter teams, and you all have been introduced to some letter teams already this year. Any of the diagraphs we have learned about are letter teams. So a letter team could be the diagraph C and H. So we know that the C makes the K sound and the H makes the H sound, but when you put it all together it makes one sound, the Ch sound. And today we're going to continue learning about some of those about some of the other letter teams that we have in our alphabet. So for example, if we look at the word egg, it looks like it would have three separate sounds, E, G, G. But because these letters are the same, we know they are a team, and you don't say them twice. Instead, you say that sound one time, so it becomes egg. Egg. You would not say egg, because the two G's become a letter team. Let's look at another example. Let's see, I'll get my pen. Let me look real quick what the examples they had. Ooh, this is a fun one. So if we look at, let's see, this word, tell me, can you find the letter team? We know that the letter team is probably the letters that are the same. We don't see a diagraph here, so this is probably going to be our letter team needs to be the same two letters. So I'm going to find it here. These two are the same letters. And remember, a letter team is one sound, so instead of saying b, you will just say b. Now we can sound it out. A, b, it, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Good job. So just a reminder today, whenever you're going forward, you're going to be looking for letter teams that make one sound.